some good news for Tesla here. Model 3 scores the company's first top safety award from IIHS. That's the Highway Traffic Institute group. They test all the cars. No, actually, they don't test all the cars. They test the popular ones. They actually skipped the Model X, but the Model S did decent, but the Model 3 just did better. It got the highest level, which is actually not top safety pick. It's top safety pick plus. And so Willie Do showcasing the video. What is it about these videos, Will? There's something special about them when they just drive the car to crash test dummy straight into the wall. There's something going on there.
Destruction.
It's fun
to watch.
It's just like that is
no one's getting hurt.
It's also just such a beautiful. Why is it beautiful?
In slow motion.
Yeah, why is it? I don't know. It's metal bending and glass and slow-mo, and no one wants that to be their actual car. No one wants to be sitting there. But no one's hurt. And it's a little bit of glass, and it's a little bit of a metal for the purpose of potentially saving actual humans who would eventually drive in this. I know Elon was very happy about the fact that the glass roof is actually one of the stronger components. Originally, some people skeptical, glass on a roof, I don't know. But as you can see in this crash test, the roof, the windshield and the roof fully intact.
Yeah.
So anyhow, IIHS, top safety pick plus. Now, another thing to mention, normally with this type of crash test, this is the head-on. It's a head-on, but there's a small overlap, I think is what it's called. It was just like if you ran into a telephone pole or something. This is the most dangerous for the driver because there's less resistance than hitting the wall clean. You know what I'm saying here, Will? So a lot of the impact is coming in on the driver location there. And, you wouldn't know this unless you were looking into this, but every so often I will watch these things. I find it to be interesting anyhow. So all the impact ends up on the driver here, and then they can tell, like, based on the crash test dummy, how significant would these injuries be, and then they come up with their rating. But when you're working with an electric vehicle, it doesn't have the typical gigantic engine sitting in the front, which would act as a barrier or wall between you and the object and take some of the impact. You just have the front trunk on the Tesla, and all of the heavy solid components are the batteries and whatnot, the motors. It's all like on the floor of the vehicle, low center of gravity. So anyway, it's impressive. Tesla fans going to be happy if you're in the market for a Model 3. I guess now you can feel even more confident that this is a good pick from a Insurance Safety Institute perspective. Maybe you pay a little less on the insurance. I don't know how that works. But definitely, if you happen to be this guy and you're driving, it looks like this is a pretty safe vehicle as far as electric vehicles are concerned, and any vehicles for that matter. Top safety pick plus.